Guys, I've been getting so many different questions from you about how to make money on binary options, what's the most effective strategy, and the most reliable trading assistant in 2026. Guys, I'd like to introduce you all to my Vortex bot. The Vortex bot is based on many indicators, market positions, and is generally linked to a neural network. And in this video, I'll demonstrate how it works and prove to you that you can actually make money with it. Alright everyone, to start things off, let's first look at some of the bot's features. Let's dive right into the interface, and I'll show you exactly how every single thing is configured in this section. As you can see, we have a home tab right over here. This shows us how the bot is basically structured. I've already given you a brief explanation, but for those interested, you can look through it all and see and verify it for yourselves. We also have a comprehensive signals tab, which includes both an auto mode and a manual option. The auto mode provides the most popular and trending signals among professional traders on the market right now. But for those of you who are already familiar with the market and binary options, I would highly recommend trading in the manual mode instead. We also have a specialized chart AI tab section where we can simply upload a screenshot of a specific chart. Then, the advanced neural network carefully analyzes the data and gives us the most precise and accurate trading signal possible for our chosen currency pair. Furthermore, there's also a comprehensive training tab for those who want to strengthen their professional knowledge or review what they have already learned. And a chat tab, which serves as our active community trading chat. And there's also a dedicated personal assistant available to support you if you happen to encounter any problems and so on. So, let's get started with the bot. Let's move on to the first signal. As we can see, we have the Euro USD currency pair. You can select it here. Let's see what its current market percentage is right now. Okay. In this video, I'll open a couple of trades using this trading bot. Overall, you can get it absolutely for free on my Telegram channel. The link will be in the description, guys, so check it out. This is a great opportunity for you to begin generating an income, or perhaps significantly reinforce and expand your knowledge. So let's go. We have a start signal button here. Let's start the signal. The bot is now analyzing the market. And what signal will we get? We have a 5-minute signal. But overall, I think we can open it for 2 minutes for a decrease. Good, excellent. So let's put in $1,000 and wait for the results. Guys, okay, let me also tell you the story of how I actually came to develop my very own automated trading bot on my own. Guys, it was quite a journey. This automated trading bot is an assistant, meaning it provides you with support for market analysis, and it's a perfect tool for both beginners and pro traders. When you look at it, basically, it's a remarkably universal trading bot. The reason I chose it is because I get a lot of common questions about how to trade and how to analyze the market correctly. And I realized that you can basically create a trading bot that will help you with that. So it's linked to the market, various indicators are connected to it, and the neural network just analyzes it for you. And I truly believe that it is just the perfect solution, the ideal trading assistant for those who really want to make serious money trading in 2026. Also guys, listen closely. I'm reminding you that today I'm trading on the Pocket Option platform. Pocket Option is the best trading platform for me because it has a clear interface for both pro traders and beginners. There is a wide variety of different bonuses and rewards available for you to enjoy, and as you can clearly see right here on the screen, we have special events like Pocket City and Pocket Promo. Also guys, I'm reminding you that in my Telegram channel, you can find a promo code for your first deposit, basically 50%. So for example, you put $200 into your account, but with my promo code you get $300. Isn't that great, my dear friends? So the first trade, so far we're seeing the chart reversal, but I think it's fine. I could basically open 2 martingale trades to cover it right now, but let's wait for this one to end first, because there is a slight chance the chart might reverse at the very last second. Well, which is unlikely in our case. Basically, it's no big deal, guys, because... Oh, I opened a bit too much, but no worries at all. Basically, this is the way trading works. There are always going to be some unexpected issues and unforeseen circumstances. So, while no trading bot out there will ever give you 100% accurate signals, this one specifically is designed to help you trade on the market almost perfectly. so it will provide you with some very detailed expert analysis to guide your decisions. You can also clearly see that we have an 82% tab displayed right here on the screen. This represents the high level of confidence that this specific signal will actually bring a profit to your account. With an 82% success rate, it is much better than the last time when we hit that lower 18% mark. Well guys, it's okay, it happens to the best of us because you simply can't trade your entire balance on a single trade. So if I had, say, put the full $50,000 which was sitting in my account, I'd be completely out of money right now. That really would have been the absolute stupidest decision I could make, I think. So great, now we can clearly see that we basically have a slight, steady decrease in the currency pair's value. We're in a good position right now, but we're getting a bullish candle, so let's wait. Basically there's not much left. Another 45 seconds until the end of the trade. Okay. Whoa, is it another reversal? Okay guys, please don't panic, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. So we have 30 seconds until the end of the trade. Also guys, this trading bot has been in development for a very long time. Basically I've put, roughly speaking, my entire heart and soul into it. And I'll be truly delighted if you guys use it, especially considering the fact that it's absolutely free on my Telegram channel. I think it's a great opportunity to start earning some income, or for you to have your own personal assistant in market analysis. And so we're doing great, basically. We have a just perfect position right now, and we're making a profit. And from the sum of 2 trades, we've made a profit of $1,700 thanks to my Vortex trading bot. Guys, this is just an excellent result. So at this point, let's select a different currency pair. And let's, guys, try trading on OTC pairs now. We also have OTC pairs here, Euro USD. So entering this currency pair. OTC. So we simply click on this button right here to generate a brand new signal. We see that the currency pair has changed. The market analysis is starting this very second, and another signal to go down. Good. I am opening one trade down and just waiting for it to finish. Basically guys, there are many different currency pairs here, as you can clearly see. And isn't that a very good thing? I mean, it offers some really nice market variation. If, say, there's a lower payout percentage on one currency pair, you can easily switch over to another. Guys, by the year 2026, you can see that almost everyone has their own trading bot. But this specific trading bot is different. And it's different because it's unique in its own way. There are many more variations here, many more different features, like chart AI or training. So guys, please really make a conscious decision in favor of a high quality premium product. No other trading bot will give you the same profit as this one, and in this video I'm just proving and showing it to you. I'm not going to go on and on about all the reasons why and what for. Just take a moment to watch this video and draw your own personal conclusions. I'm not urging you to somehow get your hands on this automated trading bot right now. And besides, considering it's free, you won't lose anything from it. But guys, I think you need to think a bit now and approach your decision absolutely in the right way. So we see that our market position is excellent right now. That we had a minimum point somewhere around here. There was a strong downward trend, then a small increase. And now the currency pair is heading down again. I mean, what would I have done even a few years ago when I wasn't such an experienced trader yet? I see a minimum point here and some growth starting. And I think, I'll open a trade to go up. But then I got a signal to go down, and it makes me wonder, why down? I mean, if I had opened a trade to go up now, I would have just lost my money, dear friends, as you can see for yourselves. So, just 7 seconds until our total profit. And counting down in 3, 2, 1, 0. Taking the first step. Oh, sorry, taking the second profit. So we've already earned $2,620. And basically, we're very happy with the result. Okay, we're getting a new signal. Let's choose the next currency pair. Maybe we can try this specific one. That should be perfectly fine. Quite a small percentage. So then we need to completely adjust the settings again. 89%, excellent. So choosing a currency pair and starting its analysis. Again, a signal to go down. Apparently the market is trending downwards now. And wow, we immediately get a noticeable drop in our currency pair. So guys, I also want to say what prompted me to create a trading avatar. Mainly, it was one of my students who just suggested this idea to me, and I started developing it in my head. I saw that basically there's a large number of trading bots on the market, and I need to stand out somehow. So I made my own trading bot, and to stand out I put all my strength and all my soul into it, guys. I mean, this trading bot is just a breakthrough, it's something new. This is the best method in 2026 to start earning real money. If you want the same balance as mine, I mean, I didn't start with some astronomical sums either. I started there, roughly speaking, with $300, which I lost on the very same day. But that's not the point. I mean, I have also poured a lot of my own personal knowledge into this trading bot, so honestly guys, it would really be very cool and absolutely great for me if you would consider using it. I mean, it's in your own interest. I think this trade will be the last one, as we're experienced traders and we know that we've already made some good profit, and for us we need to stop in time, that is, to lock in our profit in time. We have excellent downward candles, as we can see right now. And guys, let's wait for this moment. 30 seconds, I don't know what could stop us from making a profit from this currency pair. Only some sharp jump of the chart upwards. But I don't think it'll happen, it's basically not expected in this trading situation right now. As you can see, I just literally in 10 minutes or however long this video is. To put it simply, I managed to increase my account by approximately 10% and my budget by 10% as well. I mean, just imagine what it would be like if there were $1,000. For you it could be some relatively large amount of money and you get a 10% plus from them and then another 10 and another and another and another. I mean, it's just unimaginable. I mean, an account like mine, you can grow it in just about a couple of months, I think. Great, we've made a profit. So guys, I think this video is coming to an end. Thanks to everyone who traded with me. As you can see, my trading bot didn't let us down, meaning it actually closed most of the trades in profit for us and helped us earn $3,500. Thank you, dear friends. Also, a reminder about my Telegram channel where this Vortex bot is located. Go get it, start earning with me. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, please leave comments. If you have any questions, I'll definitely answer them all. Well, it was me, and I have to say goodbye. See you all next time.